Assalamu alaikum friends, here is 700 plus PSD banner templates all in one. Okay, here is 33 folder, total size is 1.53 GB, file is 716. All files are PSD, not in JPG or any other. Okay, for example, open this one, and here is 198 templates of banners, and here is social media banners like Google ads, and these are protected password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and here is go to Google Play to write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime in $4.99, that's mean $5. Okay, here is my Facebook page, follow this. I will provide every video here like my YouTube channel, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Subscribe this. And now here banner first folder have 16 banner with different sizes. I know you know how to edit or how to import your image. I know you can do easily. Just try preview. These are design. Okay, banner 5, for example. Open this one, and now creative agency text here. You need font. First you need font, but download on web. Here is font name, replace it Sheri SK social media. Anyway, you write anything and click here. Can change any color like this one. Okay, and here is triangle. Okay, so you can import in this shape, import any InDesign or photo. Like here is poster girl, this one, drag here, right click, create clipping mask. You see our image in this shape. Okay, same thing here, you can replace any image on this. Now banner 5, 15, sorry, here is 27, web design agency. Okay, amazing. Just import your simple image and write anything. Okay, your logo is here, and your product here. Subscribe me and follow this channel, page Sheri SK. Download this app for password, and here is Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Take care, all of us.